Hello friends, Satyendra here, and in this video, let's design a flexible pipe in Creo Parametric. So let's get started. So if you see this part, you will notice that this part is created using sweep, and there is a relation added within the sweep to get this shape. Now to create this sweep, I have used an intersected curve. So you can use different type of curves. You can use 2D curves, you can use curve through the points, or you can even use 3D curves. So once you have created the curve, you can easily create the sweep. So if you have a 3D curve, then you get an output like this. So the overall pipe length depends upon the curve length. So if I change this 3D curve to a 2D curve, just like this, then you get result like this. So let's create this part from the beginning, and for that first we create a new file. So go to the new part, solid, assign the name, uncheck use default template and say OK. Now from here you select a proper template. So there are few English template and few metric template. So select your template carefully. So I'll go with millimeter Newton second part solid. This is a metric template, and I'll say OK. Now here first I'll create a 3D curve, and for that first we need to create couple of 2D curves. So go to the sketch, front datum plane, sketch, normal, switch off the datums. Now draw the sketch. So I'll start with a line, I'll go like this and like this. This is 100. I'll add a round somewhere here. This is 75. This is 100. This I will delete. And here I'll create a spline. I'll start from here. I'll go like this and like this. Add a center line. Just like this. This I will take as 300. This one I'll take as 50. Now go to the tangent and make this tangent with this. Now the dimension. Select this curve, hold the control key, then the center line and then this point to place this angular dimension. Make it 90 degree. So this point will be normal to this center line. So this sketch is done. Now I'll say OK. Now one more sketch onto the right datum plane, sketch, normal. Now draw the sketch. So start like this and come down like this. Add a round somewhere here. Now this is 100. This is 150. And this is 75. Say OK. Now select these two curves and go for intersect. So this will generate a 3D curve using that 2D curve. Now you can use this 3D curve to create a sweep profile. So select the curve and go to sweep, go to sketch and draw the sketch. So I'll add a circle. Now this dimension I'll consider as 50. Now if I say OK, I get this kind of result. Now I'll add a relation. So go back to the sketch, tools and relation. And here you write the relation. So your relation will be in this format. So first you have dia of the pipe, which is this one, SD3. So click on SD3 equals nominal dia of the pipe. So nominal dia is 50 plus bracket, then you have amplitude. So I'll consider amplitude as 2 into cos, again bracket, transfer into 360 degree into number of wave. So I'll consider it as 60, bracket close, close. Now verify it, say OK and OK. Go back to the sketch, OK, and change it to allow section to change. Thickness, make it 2 and say OK. And your part is done. So this was the flexible pipe in Creo Parametric, and I hope this video will be helpful. Now you can like this video if you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.